Is it time to buy or sell Tempus AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tempus AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Tempus AI as a sell candidate, giving it a score of negative 1.15. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of negative 7.14%. This translates to an average loss of negative 0.42% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $44.29 be breached, it would initially signal a deceleration in the rate of increase and could also serve as an early indicator of a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 27.07% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging between 9.59% and 142.33%. Our latest daily update for Tempus AI features the headline, Volatile Ride for Tempus AI Inc. stock price on Friday moving between $45.48 and $51.77. The Tempus AI Inc. stock price increased by 6.89% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, rising from $48.04 to $51.35. It has now experienced gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see if this trend continues or if the stock will take a brief pause over the next few days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 13.83%, reaching a low of $45.48 and a high of $51.77. The price has increased on 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 4.58% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume rose on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator with a total of 2 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 10 million shares changed hands for approximately $506,940,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $91.45, while the lowest price was $22.89. Currently, the price is 43.85%, or $40.10, below the 52-week high of $91.45, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Tempus AI, trading under the ticker TEM, has recently made headlines, reflecting its growing influence in the AI-driven healthcare sector. On the 11th of March, the company announced its acquisition of Tempus AI, significantly enhancing its capabilities in clinical trial matching and patient recruitment, which are pivotal in advancing precision medicine. This strategic move aligns with broader trends in AI applications within oncology, which analysts see as a burgeoning market, potentially positioning TEM for substantial long-term gains. Recent financial reports reveal a positive trajectory, with fiscal year 2024 achieving record revenues of $693,400,000 and a notable 35.8% year-over-year growth. The company's data and services segment outperformed, growing by 44.6% year-over-year, showcasing its appeal and operational efficiency. Additionally, despite some volatility earlier this year, including a stock dip after fourth-quarter results, analysts remain optimistic, citing raised revenue guidance and strong cash flow expectations for the upcoming quarter. In the short term, heightened investor interest in AI applications and Tempus's recent developments could lead to upward pressure on the stock price. Over the long term, as Tempus continues to innovate and capture more market share in precision oncology, it stands to benefit significantly from the expanding AI market, making TEM a noteworthy stock to watch for investors aiming for potential growth in the evolving landscape of healthcare technology. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned TM an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TM a neutral rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TM a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned TEM a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TM a neutral rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Tempus AI stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio and the price-to-book ratio, both receiving a strong sell rating. Regarding return on investment, analysts have similarly assigned the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Tempus AI. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The stock of Tempus AI Inc. holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates an overall sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $60.24. Conversely, if it falls, support can be found from the short-term average at $47.48. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall negative indication. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 14, 2025, and so far the stock has dropped by 42.59%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are several other signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots signaled a sell approximately 25 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggested a buy signal about 92 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell around 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggested a sell approximately 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal around 15 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell about 20 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell approximately 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal around 31 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tempus AI. Tempus AI Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $50.45. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may exhibit substantial movement throughout the day, and due to a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is regarded as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.29 between its high and low, equating to 13.83%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 9.06%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tempus AI, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This vital metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could signal bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 26th of May, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at negative 270 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly affect stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tempus AI. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tempus AI is at $54.84. If you do not own any shares, it might be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Tempus AI faces its first support level at $50.45. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Tempus AI stock a good buy? Tempus AI Inc. presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 24th of March, we anticipate that Tempus AI will open lower by $1.82, starting at a price of $49.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current outlook on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.